Welcome to Homework Lib. An aqueous solution of barium hydroxide is standardized by titration with a 0.126 m solution of perchloric acid. If 14.7 milliliters of base are required to neutralize 22.5 milliliters of the acid, what is the molarity of the barium hydroxide solution? M barium hydroxide. To determine the molarity of the barium hydroxide 2, text, barium hydroxide, _2 barium hydroxide, solution, use the reaction. Barium hydroxide plus 2 hydrogen hypochlorite right pointing arrow barium perchlorate plus 2H2O. Text, barium hydroxide, _2 plus 2, text, hydrogen hypochlorite, _4, right arrow, text, Ba, ClO, _4, _2 plus 2, text, H, _2, text, O. Barium hydroxide plus 2 hydrogen hypochlorite Ba, chlorine tetroxide, 2 plus 2H2O. Here, 1 mole of Ba, O, 2, text, barium hydroxide, _2 barium hydroxide reacts with 2 moles of HClO4, text, hydrogen hypochlorite, _4 hydrogen hypochlorite. Given the volume and molarity of HClO4, text, hydrogen hypochlorite, _4 hydrogen hypochlorite, calculate its moles, then divide by 2 to find moles of Ba, O, 2, text, barium hydroxide, _2 barium hydroxide. Finally, divide the moles of Ba, O, 2, text, barium hydroxide, _2 barium hydroxide by its volume in liters, 14.7 milliliters converted to 0.0147 L, to find the molarity. The balanced reaction is as follows. Barium hydroxide plus 2 hydrogen hypochlorite barium perchlorate plus 2H2O. Given that, conc of hydrogen hypochlorite equals 0.126 m volume equals 22.5 ml moles of hydrogen hypochlorite equals conc times volume equals 0.126 m times 22.5 milliliters equals 2.835 mmOLs. From the balanced reaction we see that 1 mole of barium hydroxide reacts with 2 moles of hydrogen hypochlorite. Therefore, moles of barium hydroxide equals 12 times moles of hydrogen hypochlorite equals 12 times 2.835 equals 1.418 mmmoles volume equals 14.7 milliliters. Therefore conc of barium hydroxide equals moles volume equals 1.41814.7 equals 0.0964 m. Explanation. Calculating the conc of barium hydroxide. The conc of barium hydroxide is 0.0964 m.